Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete shop on Printful. For example, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and select stores, you can see at the moment I have 4 different stores connected. Now to delete one of these stores or shop, all you'll need to do is simply go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you're going to tap on settings in the bottom left hand corner. After you have tapped on settings, you're going to scroll up and you're going to see the option stores. You're going to tap on that. After selecting stores, from the top you will see the option to choose the store that you would like to delete. After selecting the store, you're going to scroll down and you can tap on remove. After selecting remove, you'll see the option delete store and you're going to tap on that. And from there you can see that the store has now been deleted. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.